Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to multiply one column from another in Excel. So some easy formula you can try in column and row. So type equal sign and select this first column. So cell from first column, then insert multiply symbol. Now select another cell from another column, then press enter. Now drag and drop this result like this. Similar, you can try this method in row. You can multiply equal sign and select cell from first row, multiply symbol, then second one and enter. Now drag and drop like this. So thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you or not.